Okay, this time we're going to prepare the peanut butter cinnamon roll. So we have to make a rectangular shape of this dough, at least 1/4 inch thick. Let's spread the melted butter generously on the flattened dough. Next will be the peanut butter spread. We have to leave at least half an inch on each side. We will spread the cinnamon and the sugar mixture generously on the peanut butter spread. Then we're going to roll the dough slowly. Roll it properly like this. Using a knife, we're going to equally divide the dough. So we have to put some marker. And then using a dental floss, you will use this to cut the dough nicely. And then we have to grease the baking pan with the butter. Now we have to leave the cinnamon roll on the baking dish and let it rise again for another 30 minutes. Right. This peanut cinnamon roll, we will bake this also in our conventional oven for 180 degrees centigrade, also for 20 to 25 minutes.
After 20 minutes, this is now the finished product of our cinnamon roll. Then let's brush it with the melted butter one by one. After which, we're going to put the cream cheese on top of each of the cinnamon rolls. And this is the finished product. So this is nice for your afternoon snack. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.